now you can enjoy Japfest.
I know. Me and Red just spent the last, how long? 10 minutes?
Oh, 15?
15 minutes trying to fucking fix the window from the fucking window rail.
Rust.
So stuck.
Rust, yeah, man.
Finally sorted it in the car park.
Mechanic.
Mechanic. What is your agenda?
I'm a mechanic.
Again, may as well be a 0 because you're not qualifying with it.
Yeah.
72.7 and our Pro 2 Rookie Champion.
True spoke headphones. Fuck me. Oh fuck.
Leon finished, you can't see what's happening between but if you miss it around Leon makes space for saying that it's go on as a lower qualifier trying to get it all day long, so thank you to all of the guys. For the players here of the studio, should there a clipping point?
Me and Ray are finally back at the car. Yeah. Fixed, thank God. It was a good day. Very good day. So, first time I've ever talked to camera, Ray. Properly.
Me?
No, me.
You?
Me.
Stop being awkward.
I know. Yeah, I'm gonna close out the video here. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Thank you.
Fuck!
Oh, you fucking retard.
Oh shit.
Why you put down window, man?
No.